I've got a really quick video for you today. I was about to make these and I thought I should share what I'm doing. So yesterday for dinner I made corned beef. I've shared the recipe before for my Irish corned beef and cabbage. I made that for dinner yesterday along with cauliflower mash. And all the leftovers I chopped up really fine and I've popped into this bowl over here. So we've got cauliflower mash, not much leftovers, but still, just bear with me. So cauliflower mash, I chopped up really fine, all of the meat, and now all I'm going to do is I'm going to add a couple of ingredients to that and make some fritters for breakfast for myself, but you can make this for any meal really. And yeah, I'm going to leave a blog post down below with the instructions for what I'm doing so you can follow that along as well. But I'm going to get on and add my other ingredients now. Okay, I've got one egg that I've just whisked up, beaten up quickly in a little cup here. And I'm going to add a few shakes of salt. 1, 2. And now I'm just going to mix that through together. Just mix it to make a nice fritter batter. Now obviously depending on how many, depending on how much batter you have, how many eggs you add. I've added 1 in. That is perfect. Excellent. Now it's just a matter of heating up some butter in a frying pan and cooking up our fritters. I've got heaps of butter melted in a frying pan and I'm just going to drop about a tablespoon or so, maybe a little bit more per fritter. Flatten it out a bit. And obviously depends on how much you have as to how big they are and how many you get. There's really no volumes. Oh yeah. I'm just going to share this with my husband as a really yummy breakfast. And I got 5 fritters out of my batter. Look at them, they're all yummy, meaty goodness. It just depends on how much you've got left over of meat and cauliflower mash as to how many you'll make. But yeah, oh, they look good, they smell good. Once one side is cooked, gonna flip it over and cook them until both sides are beautifully golden and cooked through. I flipped my fritters over, they kind of look a bit like pancakes. Meaty goodness pancakes. So I'm going to cook these till they're done and then move them off onto a plate. Look at my little pile of fritters. You can't really see the meat in there, but promised it's still in there. They're kind of cauliflower meaty goodness, and you could serve this with a bit of tomato sauce or sour cream or mayo on the side, and it just makes a beautiful meal of leftovers that otherwise you would just kind of have cold. I don't know. But thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure that you leave a like, subscribe and comment. I always appreciate your interaction on my videos, and check down below. I'll leave a link to the recipe where I talk through step by step how to make these, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.